One, two, three.
Hey Isaac! It's a long time ago we didn't see each other.
For a while we didn't generate new team opportunity for you. But as we promised,
Our term is going to be
full of innovations
in Isaac Košice. Okay, now it's not about the strategies anymore, it's about the action.
now it's time to make a huge step towards future.
EB Idols proudly presents you G-Rap!
So what is our values? Clarity,
Simplicity,
focus.
let's get it!
So what is G-Rap team? G-Rap team is the responsible of next recruitment. They are going to be responsible persons that they are going to care all newbies. They are going to teach them, generate them, track them in their responsibilities. They are going to be leaders in next recruitment.
G-Rap team is going to be the most powerful team in Isaac Košice that has
have
ever
seen
seen here. Because it's the amazing opportunity to work with Furkan, to get international experience, learn from the best.
Thanks so much.
No worries. And create a new generation of Isaac Košice.
Ta-da!
Tada! What is it going to be all about? We are looking for really courageous and
Experienced.
outstanding people
Courage.
that are going to become team leaders
In recruitment time.
in recruitment time.
Autumn is waiting for recruitment.
OK, now in Slovak. O čom to celé bude? G-Rap team je niečo úplne nové, čo ešte v Košiciach nikdy nebolo. A prečo? Pretože chceme zmenu. Pretože chceme, aby to bolo lepšie a lepšie. Preto sme vymysleli, že počas rekrutu, keď samozrejme je najťažšie, zohnať ľudí, ktorí sa hodia do jednotlivých oblastí, budeme mať jednotlivých team lídrov pre jednotlivé oblasti, ktorí presne budú vedieť, že koho potrebujú do OGX, koho potrebujú do GIP, aký seller bude dobrý, koho potrebujú do GCDP, ktorý psychopat bude na to v pohode, a kto bude do PR hodný. Títo ľudia budú môcť spolupracovať s Furkanom jeden celý mesiac a dozvedieť sa kopec nových vecí, zistiť, ako to chodí v Isaac tu, ako to chodí v Isaac v zahraničí a urobiť niečo pre Isaac Košice, na čo nikdy nikto, žiadna generácia nezabudne, pretože my stávame od základov a stávame pevné základy a bude to super.
All the newbies will scare of us. Let's make recruitment now.
I told such a